Hello, John.
Hello?
Hi. Hi, this is Jerry. I was calling from Exterior Roofing Systems. How's the
Oh,
day going? We're a roofing
good.
company, so we're
Okay.
actually going to conduct some roof inspections in the area for the older roofs. It's a free inspection.
hmm
Do you know how
hmm
old is your roof currently?
No, but I've got to call before I can have a roof inspection. I've got to call my insurance company. So I'm going to have to
Yeah,
pass
we
on you.
actually
But
work with all the insurance companies. I mean,
okay.
what we do is a basic inspection. Like, we take some clear pictures, and from there
Okay.
we review the pictures.
So? Who are you? What's the name of your company?
It's called Minnesota Top Roofers. That is the main company, and we're
hmm
working in
How
this
long you been
area.
in business?
We've been in business for a while now. It's been 10 years,
And you
and
work in this area?
yes, we work. We're a credible local, and right now
Uh,
we're doing basically nearby in your areas like Lakeville town and nearby areas. So we're covering your areas, and the experts they're going to be there next week. You're at 16135 Lynch Avenue?
yeah.
Okay, so would you be home next week or let's say Monday will work for you?
I'm normally home in the afternoons. Yeah.
Afternoons, like after 2 or 3?
Right.
We can put you in for 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. if you like on Monday.
Okay. Just
That work?
just mark me down.
Okay, okay. I'm putting you in for 3 p.m. on Monday. And the roof, how exactly is it? Like, how
I
the
don't know
condition?
how old it is. It's old. I don't know how old.
10, 15 years, right?
Well, I mean, I've had inspections before. I haven't. Frankly, I don't think I need an inspection, but as long as you're going to be in the neighborhood, you might as well do one.
Yes, that is the point. Like, we're gonna be there anyway, so we'll just
Yeah.
stop by and take a look.
All
It's
right.
more than
Thank.
10, 12 years at least, right?
Oh,
Just for
I
me to
assume.
update you here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. All right, sir.
All right.
I'm putting you
Thanks
in
very much.
for Monday at
Yep.
3 p.m. You're John, right?
Fine. Yes.
Yes, this is Jerry.
You
Okay,
go ahead.
we'll give
That's
you a
fine.
call.
Yep.
All
Bye
right,
bye.
have a good one.
You too.